watching HQ BMW. Today, it's another day off. Got no idea what we're doing, but we are heading to the BMW gallery to meet up with Marty. But first, let's go get some coffee. We're gonna get him a coffee as well, and then we'll see what happens from there. And I'm gonna bring you guys along for my day of excitement. So keep watching if you want to see the day and the life of HQ BMW.
Hi there, can I get for you?
Can I get one extra large regular coffee?
One extra regular?
One large black coffee?
Okay.
And one large black with 2 sugars?
Okay.
And a 3 large coffee, right? 3?
3 large, yep.
Here you go. Have a good one, sir.
Thank you, you too. Coffee? Check. Check out what's at the BMW dealership. Ferrari. That is gorgeous. The iconic Ferrari red intakes. The lines on this car are stunning. And of course, parked right next to the Urus. What a lineup of cars. But this Ferrari is so nice. Which one would you take? Would you take the red 458 or the white Lamborghini Urus? I think winter, summer would be a perfect combination. And this Urus's interior is absolutely gorgeous. That blue, oh man. Check out this Imola Red M3, sold in 48 hours. That is honestly the most stunning red BMW makes. Absolutely beautiful. What do you guys think of that Ferrari? What a beautiful car. Had an appointment with Marty this morning, really good chat. Some future of some things in the channel. Might be changing a little bit for the better, I promise you. But now we're going to head over back to my parents' place actually, because my dad has some almost brand new winter tires for the Elantra that we're gonna fit, that were on his 328. So we're gonna head over there, pick up those rims and tires. The rims aren't gonna fit, so I'll try and unload those and get them sold. Keep watching, and I'll bring you guys along for some more of the epic days of HQ BMW. Tires we have got. They're basically like some brand new Michelin winter tires. They're in really good shape, and like, yeah, honestly, they're just about brand new, and they're the exact same size, 205, 55, 16, which is on the Elantra. We're gonna go home and I'm gonna unload the wheels and tires into the garage. For the record, for if any of you guys are actually paying attention and keeping track, yes, we are basically having our second summer right now. It's like 19 degrees outside, which is like 72, 73 for all my American friends. It's become absolutely gorgeous. If anybody needs some 16-inch BMW wheels, hit me up on my Instagram. They are Literally almost brand new Michelins. The tires are not for sale, just the rims. Just the rims. The next day, and we're heading back to the BMW gallery. I just finished work. It's 5 o'clock, and we got something special. Somebody very close to us, good friends, are picking up a new ride tonight. Yep. What a great way to start the weekend by getting a new vehicle. A huge congrats to Cam and Marlo for picking up your newest edition. I know you guys have been looking at this and one of these for quite some time, so yeah, congrats. But let's head up to the BMW gallery. Tammy actually went to go and pick them up and get them to the BMW gallery. So we're gonna meet them there, but let's get driving through all of this rush hour traffic. To the BMW gallery, and they're waiting for me. So let's head on into the dealership and go see Cam and Marlo's new ultimate driving machine. Here they are. So they bought a 2017 X5.
It's a perfect mix. Yeah. So our team has 3 different ones.
What an awesome front license plate. Rolling coal. That is because it is a diesel.
It's gonna go everywhere.
Are you ready?
Thank you, Jeff and Amy and the girls and Maria for your hard work. Congratulations, baby.
Oh, it didn't go everywhere.
It didn't, not this time. I didn't shake it like last time.
That's of your purchase. Thank you.
Thank you for all the help.
Thank you guys so much.
Congratulations to you guys on your new X5.
So exciting.
Can't wait for it to sell on the tractor.
Super nice dash. Already rocking an HQ BMW air freshener. Contact at HQ BMW official on Instagram for yours today. Nice leather interior. Beautiful blue LED lighting. M package. M steering wheel. iDrive. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Once again, a huge congratulations to Cam and Marlo on the purchase of their 2017 X5 3.5D. I think you guys are gonna absolutely love it, and I know they got some mods coming for it already. So gonna be exciting to watch that build. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Please like, comment, subscribe.